Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished revalving a set of 2023 KTM 300XC suspension. The new 2023 WP linkage shock was set up for flowy single track riding and off-road riding in the Pacific Northwest area. These new 23 shocks feature a lot of new updates from the previous generation, such as the larger free piston, the adjustable by hand compression clickers, and adjustable by hand rebound clicker. These compression clickers, to me, feel a lot more effective than the past model, meaning when you turn the clicker stiffer or softer, the shock is noticeably stiffer or softer. The 2023 WP forks feature the JBI suspension WP AER 48 Pro Fork setup. That is our revalve, along with some hardware updates inside of the fork as well. This fork was also revalved to the JBI suspension flowy single track spec as well. The updates that WP has made to the 2023 WP AER fork match very well with our JBI Pro Fork upgrades. They continue to make great improvements to the air cartridge side, the side that encapsulates the air, and they're making improvements and reducing the stiction and how easy and freely the air cartridge can move. Reducing the stiction in the air cartridge really helps these forks feel much more like a traditional spring fork, and WP has been doing a great job over the years, since 2017, since the fork first came out, making design improvements to that side, also to the damping side as well. This year features a very large hydro stop in the bottom of the fork, so riders are going to find that they're going to have a hard time using up the last little bit of suspension due to the hydro stop. Think of this as insurance. It's really good to have very effective bottoming control this last 1 to 2 inches of travel. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.